we're gonna find this. I just pre-burnt this camera, and we're gonna look inside this, see if we can find and look in the inside of this camera with this phone. So we're gonna use this tool right here. First, I'm gonna see if I can get it open. There we go. Look good. The back. Oh, is it good, Nahum?
Mhm.
Let's get to behind this part. The reason I'm wearing gloves is just in case anything sharp's in there, and also we'll just straight came out of the fire. Oh, it stinks. Oh, here's the SD. I think this is that the.
I think that's the mothership.
Let me know what this piece is in here. Side. What's this? Is this a microchip?
Yes. No. Yeah. I think.
Okay, this is what this. So. Piece out of there. I've got like over this. That piece. This is the camera. So. I'm trying to get to the. There we go. You can see all the little. I think that's this. That big white thing is the battery. Let's see what it says on there. Bunch of gibberish. But I don't know what the heck this is. Okay, I gotta get out of this thing. This thing stinks. So again, this is what the phone looks like. Look, that is still on there. I'm gonna. Yeah, I gotta get this thing out of here before it's staking up the place. So, yep, that's the end of the video, guys. Like the video if you think that's kind of cool. Subscribe if you're new. Please subscribe to my other channel. It is Lazarus Blows. I'll have that right here. Subscribe right here and watch one of my videos I will be making up right here. So that's the end of the video, guys. See you guys. Bye.